Hey guys, and welcome back to Philosophy 101, the series where I actually put my undergrad and master's degrees to good use and help you guys understand some cool philosophical concepts. On today's episode, we'll be delving into the first of the main philosophical pillars, everybody's favorite, ethics. The term comes from the Greek word ethos, which can be loosely translated to mean character or disposition. And it's most people's favorite part of philosophy because it has the most visible and direct impact on people's daily lives. Whether or not people have done the right thing, said the right thing, or engaged in morally right activities. To most people, it's both interesting and important. Anyway, in philosophy, ethics is the study of morality, what's good and bad, what's right and wrong. It's a detailed examination into the moral principles that guide our actions and our decision making, exploring questions like how should one live? And what obligations do I have? And because we're social creatures, we're often interested in other people and their ethical decisions too. So ethics is just as useful when evaluating other people as it is when we're evaluating ourselves. And this is a big part of ethics in philosophy, the evaluation of others and their moral actions or positions, often through thought experiments, but also real life issues too. It's how many ethical theories come about, the refinement of somebody else's decision or position. In a way, ethics is similar to science in the sense that moral theories build on each other and kind of improve over time. And they're also often self-correcting. Many ethical theories have been improved, but some have been disproved or shown to be pretty bad. However, ethics shouldn't be taken as a science or objectively as science because it's very difficult to prove or argue that ethics are actually objective, whereas science is consensusly understood to be objective. Now, contemporary ethics are often divided into three main denominations. You have normative ethics, which is just what's right and wrong in theory and what we subsequently ought to do. You then have applied ethics, which is just the application of those moral theories to practical, real-world issues. And then there's meta-ethics, which is concerned with the nature and very makeup of moral judgments and statements, with the most important question in that area being, are there any objective moral truths? Now remember the meta part and its relationship with nature for the next episode when we talk about metaphysics. Now, some of philosophy's most influential and famous thinkers have had very, very big contributions to ethics. For example, Immanuel Kant was the developer of deontological or rule-based ethics. Aristotle's most famous works are his works on virtues and how virtues can help people lead good and morally right lives. And John Stuart Mill was a leader in utilitarian works where people are judged to have done the right thing if it promotes the most well-being. Now, all three of these philosophers lay their biggest claims to fame in their ethical contributions. So now you understand broadly what ethics is in philosophy, how it impacts people every day, and also who some of its biggest contributors are. So hit the follow button to learn about the next philosophical concept, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.